Hi boys and girls! Today our grammar lesson is going to be on nouns. For this lesson we have two learning goals. Our first learning goal is I can identify a noun. Our second learning goal is I can use nouns in my speaking and writing. Our big question for this lesson, boys and girls, is what is a noun? Is a noun a person such as a teacher, a place like the zoo, or a thing such as a lollipop? Or is a noun an action word like kicking, swinging, or climbing? Or is a noun a describing word like this chocolate is sweet or these bananas are too heavy? So we need to decide whether a noun is a person, place, or thing, a describing word, or an action word. On the board you will see the three categories we just talked about: a person, place, or thing, a describing word, and an action word. You have all been given a sticky note which you will write your name on, and when it is time, you will each come up to the board and place your sticky note in the category that you think describes a noun. As more and more students place their sticky notes on the board, this is what our board will start to look like. At the end of the lesson, you will have an opportunity to move your sticky note if you think it belongs in a different category. Now let's take some time to write our names on our sticky notes, and we'll each come up to the board and place our sticky note in the category that we think is describing a noun. To learn more about nouns, we are going to watch a video from Schoolhouse Rock that focuses just on nouns. Wow, what a fun video. I love Schoolhouse Rock. From that video, I learned that a noun is either a person, a place, or a thing. Now, I want you to turn and talk with your elbow buddy and think about a person, a place, and a thing that you remember from the Schoolhouse Rock video. So after talking with your elbow buddy, each pair should have three things they remember from the video: a person, a place, and a thing. Alright boys and girls, now we are going to work on sorting our nouns by person, place, and thing. On the screen you will see our three different categories and different noun pictures that we are going to sort. As we're sorting our pictures, I want you to be thinking about what makes a noun a person, a place, or a thing. So a person has to be somebody that you can talk to, such as a teacher, a police officer, or a firefighter. A place is somewhere you can go, like school or to the public library. And a thing is something you can use, such as a pencil, or something you can hold, like a flower, or maybe even something that you can ride in, like a car. So those are all examples of things. Now we're going to take a look at our chart and begin sorting our nouns. Let's take a look at the very first picture. We have a picture of a grocery store. We know a grocery store is not a person because you can't talk to it, and it's not a thing that you can hold in your hand, but it is somewhere you can go, so a grocery store is a place. Next, we have a picture of somebody running. So running is not a person, you can't talk to running. Running is not a place that you can go to, and running is not something that you can hold in your hand or use, so it's not a thing. So running is actually not a noun, and we won't put that into one of our categories. Let's take a look at our next picture of a flower. A flower is not a person that you can talk to, and it's not a place that you can go. But is a flower a thing, something that we can hold in our hands? Yes, it is, so flower belongs in the thing category. Now we have a picture of teacher. Is a teacher a person, somebody that you can talk to? Yes, teacher is going to go in the person category. Okay, we will sort one more picture. Now we have a picture of a queen. Is a queen somebody that you can talk to? A queen is, so queen is going to go in the person category as well. Alright boys and girls, now it's your turn to practice sorting nouns. Grab your elbow buddy and let's get started.